So this video, I'm going to look at the extension SERP Help. So this is the name of the extension. You can download it from here. And so I've already downloaded it. And if you look in the top right-hand corner, you can see these two purple squares, one on top of each other, like you're going to copy something. So that's the SERP Help extension, and it's activated. So how it works, or what it's useful for, is, for example, we're in Google and we want to search for something. So what are we going to search for? Cat breeds. So we've typed in cat breeds, and then, as you know, Google will suggest possible queries. So here are the possible queries that Google has suggested. If you notice, there's a purple plus sign beside each one. Right? And that's due to the SERP Help extension. And then on the right-hand side, you see in the top, it says copy and export. The bottom, it has a two purple squares. So that means the SERP Help extension is activated. But now we can either export or copy this data or this information or these keywords or search terms that Google has suggested. So let's copy them. So we just click copy. Then we can go to an Excel spreadsheet and paste. There you go. We have all the search terms or the possible search terms that Google has suggested. So now that we have this information, we can use this in our keyword research, or we can use this in, say, a blog post, or if we're thinking of ideas for blog posts, we can use this list, like for example, a blog post about cat breeds that don't shed, or cat breeders in Ottawa, say. Cat breed personalities, that's an interesting one, but it gives you some ideas of search queries that people are making that are related to cat breeds, and from there you can use that in various ways. Okay, thank you.